Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here, with an update to the Day 1 Outlook. For a large part, everything has remained the same, except as of the midday update, the Storm Prediction Center the slight risk over here remains the same. The Storm Prediction Center, however, has added a second slight risk area today, encompassing south central Kansas, parts of Oklahoma, and west central Arkansas. And this marginal here remains the same, and this marginal over here remains largely the same. I say largely because the Storm Prediction Center has actually expanded the marginal southwestward. The marginal, in addition to encompassing southwestern Delaware, much of Maryland, and Washington, D.C., now encompasses most of Virginia, a tiny bit of southeastern West Virginia, eastern Tennessee, western North Carolina, the very far extreme northwestern tip of South Carolina, northern Georgia, and northeastern Alabama. So, anyway, but everything largely remains the same. Today's slights include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Norman, Oklahoma, Billings, Montana, and Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. And the marginals today encompass Baltimore, Maryland, Washington, D.C., Virginia Beach, Virginia, Wichita, Kansas, and Norfolk, Virginia. So, these 2% tornado risk areas remain the same. The 15% wind risk over here remains the same. The Storm Prediction Center has added another 15% wind risk area today that encompasses south central Kansas, parts of Oklahoma, and west central Arkansas. Okay? This 5% wind risk over here remains the same. The 5% wind risk over here remains largely the same. And again, I say largely because they kind of expanded it a little bit. Well, greatly. Not just little, but pretty much expanded it. Okay? In addition to encompassing southwestern Delaware, most of Maryland, and Washington, D.C., this 5% wind risk now includes most of Virginia, far southeastern West Virginia, western North Carolina, eastern Tennessee, the very far extreme northwestern tip of South Carolina, far southeastern West Virginia, northwestern Georgia, and northeastern Alabama. So, but everything else has remained the same. The 15% wind risk areas today encompass Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Norman, Oklahoma, Billings, Montana, and Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. And these 5% wind risk areas today encompass Baltimore, Maryland, Washington, D.C., Virginia Beach, Virginia, Wichita, Kansas, and Norfolk, Virginia. So, the hail threat largely remains the same, okay? The 15% hail risk over here remains the same, and the black dashed area remains the same. The black dashed area is the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. So yeah, the Storm Prediction Center, however, has added an additional 15% hail risk today that encompasses south central Kansas and parts of Oklahoma. The 5% hail risk here remains the same, and the 5% hail risk over here remains the same. So, yeah, the black dashed area, again meaning highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today, includes Billings, Montana, Gillette, Wyoming, Sheridan, Wyoming, Spearfish, South Dakota, and Miles City, Montana. The 15% hail risk areas today include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Norman, Oklahoma, Billings, Montana, and Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. And the 5% hail risk areas today include Baltimore, Maryland, Washington, D.C., Wichita, Kansas, Lubbock, Texas, and Richmond, Virginia. So, in summary, Scattered severe thunderstorms capable of producing large hail and damaging wind gusts will be possible across parts of the northern and central high plains this afternoon and evening. Large hail and damaging winds will also be possible this afternoon from eastern Oklahoma and western Arkansas, and late tonight from southern Kansas into central and northeast Oklahoma. So, that's the update, to the Day 1 Outlook. So anyway, continue to stay safe in the affected areas today and tonight, and before you go to bed tonight, be sure to have something to wake you, whether it be your TV, radio, or phone, and if possible, sleep in your safe room tonight to avoid having to move during the night. So, stay safe today, and my Day 2 Outlook will come out as soon as it is updated. So, take care.